Hello students, you are welcome in this grammar lesson with Katore sir. In this lesson, we will focus on what is verb, what is the importance of verb in language, how many types of verbs are there in English, which are they, and some activities for practice. Students, verb is the third part of speech. Now we will see the importance of verb in English. Verb plays a vital role in Verb plays a vital role in English language. It indicates tense, present, past, and future. It is an important part of the sentence. There is no sentence without verb. So it is very necessary to study verb very properly. Then we will see the definition of verb. The word which shows the action and state or situation is called verb. In this definition, two words are most important, action and state. There are two types of verb. First is action verb and second is state or stative verb. First of all we will see action verb. त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये कृतीदर्शक क्रियापद असे म्हणतात. It defines the action of the subject. For example, Raju is running. Here, running is an action of the subject Raju. Second sentence, the children are reading a book. Here, reading is an action verb. Then we will see state or stative verb. त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये स्थितीदर्शक क्रियापद असे म्हणतात. It defines the state or situation of the subject. For example, Ram is a boy. In this sentence, is here a stative verb that defines the state whether he is a boy or a girl. Second example, he is a teacher. Here is indicates stative verb. Third example, she feels happy today. Here feel is a stative verb. Then we will see types of verbs. There are two types of verbs, main verbs and helping verbs. Helping verbs are also called auxiliaries. दोन प्रकारची क्रियापदे असतात. मेन वर्ब म्हणजे मुख्य क्रियापद आणि हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स म्हणजे सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदे. First of all we will see main verbs, मुख्य क्रियापदे. Main verbs are the words that show the action or activity of the subject. For example, read, write, play, catch, tell, learn, cut, etc. For example, he goes to school. She cooks food. Jaya wrote a letter. My mother gets up early in the morning. He made a kite. In the above sentences, all the underlined words are main verbs that show the action or activity of the subject. Then we will see types of main verbs. There are two types of main verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs त्यांनाच आपण नियमित क्रियापदे म्हणतो आणि irregular verbs म्हणजेच अनियमित क्रियापदे. First we will see regular verbs, नियमित क्रियापदे. Regular verbs are those whose past and past participle are formed by adding d or ed to the end of the verbs. For example, receive, received, received. In this verb, d is added to the past and past participle form of the verb. Second example, climb, climbed, climbed. In this verb, ed is added to the past form of the verb and past participle form of the verb. Second, irregular verbs, अनियमित क्रियापदे. Irregular verbs are like regular verbs in their yes or ES and ING forms. ही अनियमित क्रियापदे रेग्युलर व्हर्ब सारखीच एस, ES आणि ING फॉर्म्समध्ये असतात, बट their past and past participle do not take D or ED. परंतु भूतकाळ करताना आणि पास्ट पार्टिसिपल करताना या क्रियापदांना डी किंवा ईडी लागत नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, गिव, गेव, गिवन. In this verb, there is no D or ED to the end of past form and past participle form. Second example, write, wrote, written. In this example also, there is no D or ED to the end of the past form and past participle form. Now we will see some regular main verbs. There are 5 forms of main verbs. First is base form, second is yes form, third past form, third verb past participle, and fourth present participle. त्यालाच आपण ING रूप असे म्हणतो. Let us see some examples. Play, plays, played, played, playing. Ox, ox, oct, oct, oking. Clean, cleans, cleaned, cleaned, cleaning. Collect, collects, collected, collected, collecting. Talk, talks, talked, talked, talking. Call, calls, called, called, calling. Now we will see some irregular verb forms. There are also 5 forms: base form, yes form, past form, verb past participle form, and present participle means ING form. Let us see some example. Speak, speaks, spoke, spoken, speaking. Eat, eats, ate, eaten, eating. Give, gives, gave, given, giving. See, sees, saw, seen, seeing. Take, takes, took, taken, taking. Come, comes, came, come, coming. Tell, tells, told, told, telling. Make, makes, made, made, making. And last, begin, begins, began, begun, and beginning.